This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear light cluster bulbs renewal. First, you will need to remove the light unit. Open the tailgate, prise out the cover and unscrew the plastic retaining nut. Withdraw the rear light cluster from the rear of the vehicle, releasing it from the outer locating pegs, then depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug. Rotate the fasteners anti-clockwise using a suitable coin and pull the bulb holder assembly from the light unit. Depress the relevant bulb, twist it anti-clockwise and remove it. Insert the new bulb into the holder, then twist it clockwise to secure it. Note that on some bulbs, the bayonet pins are offset. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Refit the bulb holder assembly to the light unit, then tighten the retaining nuts. Reconnect the wiring plug, then refit the light unit, aligning the pegs on the light unit with the holes in the wing as the unit is refitted. Refit the plastic nut, securely tighten it, then clip the cover back into place. Open the tailgate and prise the access cover from the trim panel. Squeeze together the sides, then pull the main wiring plug from the light unit, then disconnect the LED wiring plug. Release the two retaining clips and withdraw the bulb holder assembly from the light unit. The rear fog light bulb is a bayonet fit in the bulb holder. Depress and twist the relevant bulb to remove it, whereas the reversing light bulb is a wedge-type bulb. Simply pull the bulb to remove it. With the bulbs replaced, clip the bulb holder assembly back into place. Reconnect the LED wiring plug and the main wiring plug. Refit the access cover.